What's going on, guys? My name is Alex, and if you have a small following on TikTok, don't worry, because here are 5 websites you can sign up today and get brand deals with. These 5 websites have little to no minimum follower requirement to sign up and start getting deals. And keep in mind, guys, these sponsorships and brands are looking for anyone that's active, consistent, and ready to promote their products. And if you stay into the end, I have a special bonus website that will allow you to make anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000 per month without even needing to be sponsored by any company or brand deals whatsoever. So with that being said, let's start off with website number 5, aspire.io. This is a great website for e-commerce. A lot of Shopify and e-commerce websites and brands come to this website. So if you're a content creator, regardless of how many followers you have, this can be an amazing website for you. So let's quickly and briefly go over the website and kind of learn a lot of what Aspire actually offers. So what I like to do about any kind of brand deals or any kind of websites like this, I immediately go to the About Us, and you can see a little bit more about how to contact them and how to even sign up. But as you can see here, a lot of what they do is word of mouth marketing for brands, and they're pretty much trusted from these top e-commerce brands. So if you have any interest in e-commerce or even just these type of brands at all, this is an amazing website to sign up with. You can sign up for free, and they're going to start finding brands for you to partner with depending on your niche and how well you perform with creating these contents. But you can literally scroll through and see all the information you need to find about Aspire. This is by far one of the top websites for finding brands and stuff like that. And you can literally learn all about their community. You can join their Slack channel, and it's actually really easy to sign up. And as you can see, they have some direct partnering with Shopify, where they drive more revenue to Shopify merchants. So a lot of people that have e-commerce brands and stores are looking for Aspire. It's one of the first things they go to. And if you're a content creator on TikTok, the way to do this, and also on Instagram, by the way, the way to do this is literally go to creator login, and then you're going to go down here, hit the sign up, and hit this here. And then what you're going to see here is you can sign up, put your name, email. They're going to ask you some more questions, and you can see we find amazing brands for you to collaborate with. Create an account to get started. And as simple as that, you create accounts and they're going to be sending you information. Some weeks are going to be slower than others. It all depends on what the brands need. But remember, guys, content creation and being an influencer is more and more popular and more prevalent. So you want to get on these while you still can. So number 5 is aspire.io. All right, so website number 4 is activate.social. This is an amazing website as well, and they're partnered with some pretty big brands. So especially if you are on Instagram and on TikTok, this is a great way to definitely get your name out there with some top brands. And I like to do the same thing I did on the previous website, is go to their About Us and kind of see what their brands and agencies are with. So if I actually click this brand and agency tab here, we can scroll down, we can learn about what they do, how they manage and scale businesses and work with other top brands. But what's also really cool is if I actually scroll back up here and go to our marketplace, we can scroll down a little bit and we can see some of their partners. And as you can see, they're partnered with some of the top brands in the world. I think we all know some of these websites here, H&M, Tinder, Levi's, Walmart, so this is a great opportunity to get that potential big break. Again, you don't need to be need to have a massive following on any social media platform. You just need to be consistent and know what you're doing. So once you're ready, you do enough research to see that this is a good website for you. All you have to do, very similar, you're gonna just go to this influencers tab, and all you got to do is just join, sign up. They're gonna be sending you email. By the end of this video, guys, you should have 5 websites sending you constant emails to potentially partner with, and you have a good opportunity to working with these brands. Trust me when I say that. So simply sign up, put your name and information. They might ask you for some social media stuff, but this is literally an easy sign up. Do your research, make sure this is something you want to be a part of. So let's move on to website number 3. Before going on to the next website, I just want to quickly remind you guys, definitely follow my new Instagram, coach_AlexRob. I'm trying to blow up this new Instagram account. This is where you can also DM me any questions about being a content creator, following up with brands and getting those partnerships, or if you need coaching or anything like that, let me know. This is a new Instagram I'm creating though, because it's going to be a new challenge that I'm starting to challenge myself to grow another social media account. So give me a follow here, coach_Alex, and of course, _AlexRob. And of course, shoot me any DMs if you have any questions or concerns about anything. Website number 3 is Fora.co. One of the great things about this website is it's not just for finding brand deals and partnerships. It's actually really good for learning more about becoming an influencer and a content creator. So if you're a small content creator / influencer, this is still a good website for you. Now, of course, do your due diligence. scroll through, research, and learn a little bit more about who they are as a brand and company. But when you go to the influencers tab right here, you can actually scroll down here and learn a little bit about what they do. And as they say here, to us, influencers aren't just our business. They are more than that. They're an incredible group of individuals. And if we scroll down a little bit more, they have a lot of other services to help you as a content creator slash influencer. So they'll help you get verified. They'll help you boost your insights and get more like education on how to grow as a content creator and influencer. And of course, what you're here for, getting those opportunities to work with top agencies across the globe. So this is another great website. I highly recommend you guys sign up. And if you're ready, you can literally go create a profile, scroll all the way down. And as you can see here, influencers, you can sign up to become an influencer. Okay, so it just brings you back here. But you can sign up, hit this get started button. I'm an influencer, and you can sign up and start getting emails and learn about they'll email you helpful information and help you get started with your journey if you're a small content creator looking to grow and hopefully get those brand deals that you guys are all looking for. So let's go into website number 2. Friendly reminder, guys, make sure you stay into the end of the video because I have this bonus website that you definitely don't want to miss that will allow you to earn up to $3,000 to $5,000 per month without being partnered with a brand as a small content creator. So who doesn't love making extra money? And if you're enjoying the video so far, make sure you like and subscribe. I make content on teaching people how to grow as a content creator, get bigger followings, partner with brands. So you definitely don't want to miss it. So hit that subscribe button, like, and comment down below if you have any questions or concerns. With number 2 though, website number 2 is collabstar.com. By far one of the best well-rounded websites for influencers. As you can see, you can select if you're hiring for an influencer. If you're someone looking to find influencers, you can see what it looks like to hire an influencer. So you can pick the platform. Let's say I want to do TikTok. Let's say I want to do people that make content in the health and fitness. And if I want a specific following, I can pick that and hit search. And you can literally find, hit search here. My internet's moving a little slow, but hit search there and you can literally see what content creators in your niche is charging. So once you kind of do a little bit of market research, see what some of the content creators in your niche are charging for a video. By the way, some people are charging for anywhere from 1 to 10,000 followers. Are charging anywhere from 190 to 200, 250 for some videos. Keep in mind, right? This gives you an opportunity to see what to charge because you're probably wondering, I'm a content creator, but I don't know what to charge, right? So keep in mind what these people in your niche with the same amount of following is charging. And once you kind of do a little bit of market research, see what's going on, you can sign up as an actual influencer. You're gonna put your collabstar.com/your username. You're gonna sign up, create an account, and then you're going to connect your TikTok, Instagram, whatever it is, YouTube, and literally you can sign up and people will come on these websites because there's a lot of traffic coming to this website. People will come on this website and will find and search kind of like a marketplace. And if they like you, they'll contact you and create some videos. So this is a great opportunity for you guys to sign up. You can see what other people in your niche are charging, and you can also sign up as well. This is a trusted website, as you see on the New York Times, Yahoo. So some pretty popular brands also work with it. As you can see here, over 5,000 plus brands work with this website. So if I were you guys, don't mess around, sign up. You can do this as a YouTuber, TikToker, Instagrammer, it doesn't matter. As you can see, they have platforms for literally those 3 right here. So give it a shot. Let me know how it works. Let's move on to website number 1. And website number 1 is obviously.ly. This is one of the best websites to get partnered with as a small content creator. Go to this website here and you can see that they have a community that you can join. And there's a lot of top companies, as you can see, Google, Converse, Lyft, Campbell's, Panda Express, Urban. I'm assuming that's Urban Outfitters. They have so many different top brands that you can partner with. Ulta Beauty, no matter what your niche is, no matter what kind of content you could make rather, you can literally join their community. So this is great because you get to partner with other people using this platform and this website. But of course, you can sign up as an influencer slash content creator. So if I go to this right here, you could go here, and as you can see that they have so many influencers and they've paid over $10 million in influencer slash brand deal payouts. Right? They have over 2,000 collaborations completed. So they're actively paying, they're actively looking for content creators, they're actively looking to get you guys the money you deserve, regardless of your following. So please, for the love of God, head over to these websites here that I went over and sign up, right? Do a little bit of research. As you can see, they're top brand websites that are willing to throw money at people. So You can even read up on their case studies, see how certain brands got partnered with these content creators. So this is an amazing website. There's so many opportunities. So all you got to do is sign up and start creating content, right? So you can see here TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Let's say you're in the TikTok space more than anything else. Go to the TikTok tab, hit the let's get started, and you can just sign up and start working with these people. Let's say you don't have a company name. I recommend you just put your name. That's pretty self-explanatory. So with that being said, guys, go out there and dominate, sign up with these websites. But because you stayed into the end of the video, I'm going to give you a bonus website right here. All right, because you stayed into the end, I'm going to reward you with an additional bonus website that will allow you to make $3,000 to $5,000 a month as a small content creator without needing a brand deal. And it's called Big Tiny Sound. You're going to go into Google, type this in. And the idea behind this website is you sign up and connect your TikTok account, and you get paid based on the fact that you create content using the sounds provided. And depending on how many views your videos gets, the more views you get, the more money you make. And let me show you a demonstration right here. So the website's 100% free to sign up, and I personally just signed up with another account here. And as you can see, you're going to be handed out a whole bunch of different songs to use. And once you use those songs into TikTok, they're going to track how many views your video gets with that song. And depending on how the song goes and how the TikTok performs, rather, you're going to get more money the better it performs. So as you can see here, within 1 month, I have about 5,000 available sponsorships to use. And all I have to do is go on the video, let's say, or the songs rather, and click on the songs. As you can see, depending on how many views my videos are getting, I can earn this amount of money. And keep in mind, this is passive income. You don't have to do this within a certain period of time. So let's say it takes you 3 months to hit this milestone, you'll still earn the money regardless. So this is pretty great. And some of these are a little bit harder than others. I won't lie to you on that point, but it's fairly pretty simple to do, right? You can literally, they'll give you an example of someone using the TikTok, and all you got to do is connect your account, use this song in the background, and once you sign up, let's say your video gets 1,000 views, you get $5, right? Additional passive money that you're just making. Let's say you get a video go viral, 25,000, 50,000, or even 150,000 views, you just made $150. And keep in mind, at the end of the day, guys, let's not forget, TikTok has the random moments of going viral and popping off at any given moment. And you never know, one of these videos can go viral and you just made $350 just making a TikTok with a certain sound. So I recommend you guys do this. Let's say you don't even make more than $2,000 a month. It's still a good way to make an additional source of income, anywhere from an extra $1,000 a month you can do, depending on how many TikToks you're making, right? If I were you, I'd be making 3 TikToks a day using these sounds and give it a go there. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and this is another amazing website as a content creator that you can start using regardless of how many following you have. So pretty good website. I want to thank you guys all so much for watching the video. Make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I want to just end off by saying this. About a few months ago, I started a challenge where I wanted to go from 0 to 100,000 followers on TikTok in 48 hours. I was actually able to do so, and if you want to watch the exact video, feel free to watch it right here.